Hello, my name is Danielle Woodruff and I'm a physical therapist at Brooks Rehabilitation. Today we will be discussing tips for fall prevention. First is the installation of handrails and grab bars in any areas of your home that you feel like you need extra support. For the handrails, these can be installed within stairways or within hallways. In the bathrooms, grab bars are typically installed along the shower, within the tub, and next to the toilet. Avoid using grab bars that require suction, as these are less reliable and sturdy than the metal grab bars that are screwed into the wall. Another tip within the bathroom is the use of non-slide mats. These can be used on the bathroom floors as well as within the shower and tubs. Another tip is to remove all clutter from your home. While you're picking things up off the floor, be sure to avoid use of the small area rugs, as these are a common tripping hazard. If you are to use large area rugs, be sure to secure the edges with double-sided tape. Another tip for preventing falls within the home is to improve lighting in common areas that you walk at night. These can be within the bedroom, the bathroom, hallway, and stairs. If you have any other question regarding fall prevention tips, please contact your local Brooks provider.